In this video, I will show you how to run Ollama using LlamaIndex. Let's go and first see what Ollama is and how you can download it. So in Google, I will type Ollama. Then you have to click on this website, ollama.com. When you come on this page, you will see this icon, get up and running with large language models. So you can use this open source application to run large language models such as Llama 3, Mistral and other models. You can use this to customize these LLMs and even you can create your own LLMs. To use it, you just have to click on this download button and this will get downloaded in your machine. I'm not going to click on this download here because the size is around 3 to 4 GB and this will take time. So I have already downloaded this in my system and now we can go to this Jupyter notebook and we will see how we can use this Ollama using LlamaIndex. So first of all, we need to import the library. I will write here from llama underscore index dot LLMs dot Ollama import Ollama. So first we will import this Ollama. Then the next is we will create one variable LLM and then we will call this Ollama that we just imported here. Inside this, the first parameter is model name. I will write here model and then you have to define what model you want to use. I want to use Llama 3. I will write here in double quotes or single quotes Llama 3. Then the second parameter is request timeout. So I will write here request underscore timeout and I want to give it 120 second. So if there is no response, the request will be timed out after 120 second. Then let us execute this code. Now we have this Llama 3 LLM model stored in this object LLM. Now let's call one of the function complete and in that complete I will give one sentence and this Llama 3 model will give us an output or you can even ask any question in that. So let's see. I will make one variable response and I will name it as RESP. Then I will call this LLM and then I will call the function complete. Inside this you can ask any question. So here you don't need any PDF file from which you will ask the question. This will go to the internet and get the answer for you. So you can ask any question here. Now let's say I'm going to write here who is the president of Russia and let's see if I get the answer or not. And then I will close this bracket here and then I will just call this print statement on this response variable. Let us execute our code and this can take a few seconds to get the results. This actually took more than a minute for me and even it can take more than a minute for you, so don't worry, you just have to wait. And the output says that as of my knowledge cut off in 2021, the president of Russia is Vladimir Putin. He has been serving as the president of Russia since May 7, 2012 and previously served as the president from 2000 to 2008. However, please note that this information may change over time due to elections or other developments. So the answer is correct. And instead of this question, you can ask any other question here. So you see that how easy it is to use any LLMs using Ollama. You just have to give the model name here. Instead of Llama 3, you can use Mistral or even any other LLM models and you will get the answer. There's also something chat message. So we can call this chat with a list of messages. Let's also see how that works. So I will import from LlamaIndex dot core dot LLMs import chat message. I will make a variable messages, and then I will create a list. Inside this, I will first define a chat message for system, and I will also define its role. Then I will create a chat message role for user. Let's define that. I will write here chat message, and then inside this I will define the role, and the first role is of system, and then the content. So I want to tell the system that you are a doctor with a cool personality, and then I will close this role here, and I will define the next chat message, and this time for the role of user. So I will write here role is equal to user, and then I will ask the question to this system, and I will define this question in this content here. I will ask what is your name. So I'm asking what is your name to this system who is a doctor, and then I will close this, and I will also close this list bracket here. So this is closed now. I'll make one new variable response1, and then I will call LLM, and from this I will call the method chat. Inside this I will pass messages that I have defined here, and then I will do print of this response. So what I'm doing here is I am asking this system who is a doctor with a cool personality that what is your name. Now I will get the output, and once I get the output I can take this conversation ahead and ask as many questions to this system, and I will get the response. So first let's see what response I get. This is the response I get from assistant, that is this system here. It says, my friend, I am Dr. Ryder Jackson, but feel free to call me Rai if you want to get all casual and whatnot. I am an emergency medicine doctor with a passion for saving lives and keeping people healthy. When I'm not stitching up wounds or diagnosing mysterious rashes, you can find me jamming out to indie rock tunes or trying out new craft beer recipes in my spare time. So you see that this is a doctor with a cool personality, and the output that we got from this doctor also shows that this doctor is really cool. So you can continue this chat and you can ask some follow-up question to this system, and you will get the output. You see that how easy it is to use Ollama, and with the help of this Ollama you can use any LLMs, and you can ask any question, or you can even create a chat engine that I have just created here. So it is very easy to use Ollama, and it helps you to use different LLMs. You can customize these LLMs, or even you can create your own LLMs using Ollama. I hope you found this video useful. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.